I always wanted to go further in career and family, and I was missing something. I didn't know what it is, but I know I was missing something. I said, okay, I have to commit. I will do push-ups, I will do pull-ups, and that's how it started. So I got on Spartan Races. It reminds me of life that you go through. Sometimes your life goes up, sometimes you fall down, but the important thing is to stand up and keep on going. I'm working with supplements for a long period of time, and I'm familiar with Creapure through other nutrition labels. The importance in decision of supplements and creatine in this case is the quality. The quality is the key to success. If I'm taking something, I want to be sure that this product is done by a best producer, that I'm using the right stuff in order to achieve my goal. I can feel it. That's the most important thing. I can feel the difference. Creapure Kreatin helps me to gain strength, to regenerate in any aspect of my workouts. I get my motivation from my kids, my family. For me, that's the thing that gets into me, and I get motivated to keep on going, to have another race on track and to do even more.